Moyen! I'm headed to Wasserbillig today from the central station in Luxembourg. My train leaves a little before 11 so that I can avoid rush hour. As you probably know, because of the COVID-19 situation, during the past few weeks, CFL has been running reduced train service so that people could still get to where they need to go. Now, as part of the gradual deconfinement, the sales center has 2 counters open every day from 6 a.m. to 8:45 p.m. And with Melanie. Melanie is a PAT. P-A-T. What is a PAT?
A PAT is the personnel d'accompagnement des trains.
Personnel d'accompagnement des trains.
Right.
Okay. And Melanie is going to tell us some of the guidelines we should be following during this COVID-19 situation.
Für auch zu vermeiden, dass der Kontakt zwischen den Fahrgästen limitiert ist, gilt es am öffentlichen Transport für dich, die rauskommen zu lassen und dann rechts selber ranzuklammen.
Perfect timing. Merci there, Melanie.
You're welcome.
So, these are unusual times, and there's just some guidelines we all need to follow so that we can help each other through this COVID-19 crisis. Remember when taking public transport to always wear a mask, and then to follow these very important hygiene rules. Always wash your hands with soap and water, or disinfect them with a hydroalcoholic gel. If you have to sneeze or cough, make sure you do it into the crease of your elbow, like so, or into a tissue. Unfortunately, right now, we can't be shaking hands or kissing people on the cheek. So another important one is to avoid touching your face with your hands. If you have flu-like symptoms, stay at home. When possible, leave space between you and your fellow passengers, both on trains and buses, and also on the platforms outside, to keep social distancing measures in place.